Brush up your top stitching skills. I shall be visiting a couple of my earlier videos. I may have put away jeans for a while, but I'm still in love with denim. Denim cries out for top stitching. This is a dress to live in. It goes in the wash and costs next to nothing to make. Download sewing patterns from AngelaKane.com. This easy-to-wear princess line dress with a cutaway armhole and flattering neckline also has the practical centre back vent. This video will help you achieve the perfect top stitching. This is from my pleat front trouser pattern 931 video. Always practice your top stitching. I have lengthened the stitch and find I need to tighten the top tension considerably to avoid these loops appearing on the wrong side. That's much better. A perfect stitch. And this is from my sewing jeans pockets video. Making great jeans is about finding good techniques that work on a domestic sewing machine. Always use a heavy-duty needle, a jeans or denim needle. For trouble-free top stitching with strong thread, tighten both the top and bottom thread tensions. As with all sewing, press as you go. Pressing is part of the construction process. And this is from my 14-part series, Making Jeans. Now for some top stitching. Here are the items we will need. Top stitching thread, sometimes called bold or strong thread. This is 100% cotton, but polyester is fine. My machine was supplied with a jeans foot, which works well for top stitching, but is not essential. It is good in general for straight stitching. I have a regular thread in the bobbin. I'm using top stitching needles, the eye is longer. Needles described as for use with denim are also good. A stitch compensator is really worth using when you are stitching through several layers. You can also use spare fabric folded several times. Also, as I'm always reminding you, try out your stitches on spare fabric. You will need to adjust your tension for this top stitching. The top thread has to be tightened considerably, so get it right with a few dummy runs. And back to this pattern. Cope with lumps and bumps using a spacer tool. This one came with my sewing machine. Visit my site for stockists and check information cards above. So both bottom and top threads are tightened. Check your machine instructions. For most sewing machines, correct bobbin tension for regular sewing is when you can hold up the bobbin case and bobbin by the thread and it will just about hang without slipping through. To tighten the thread for top stitching, using the screwdriver provided, turn the screw a good half turn clockwise. You should feel the extra tension on the thread. The top tension will be adjusted by the controls on the sewing machine. Don't forget to return tensions to normal for regular sewing. If you top stitch, you don't have to understitch. Understitching is when you sew the seam allowance to the lining to stop the lining from slipping into view. I know I will be wearing this dress for years to come. Add carefully chosen accessories for the perfect wardrobe standby. Follow me on Instagram Angela Kane TV for an accessory update. Scroll through my cards for more information. Here are links to more tutorials. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to check out AngelaKane.com for my sewing patterns.